Hello, fellow space enthusiasts. Welcome to a journey through our solar system. Get ready for an awe-inspiring event. We're going to see all the planets in one night. This is a rare opportunity. It's a chance to connect with the cosmos. Let's explore how to make the most of this celestial experience. Planets orbit the Sun. Each planet follows a unique path known as an orbit around our star. These orbits are not perfect circles but elliptical, meaning they are slightly stretched out. The Sun's immense gravity keeps the planets in their paths, creating a cosmic dance that has been ongoing for billions of years. They move at different speeds. This variation in speed is due to their distance from the Sun. Planets closer to the Sun, like Mercury and Venus, travel faster than those farther away, such as Jupiter and Saturn. This difference in speed is a fundamental aspect of their motion and contributes to the dynamic nature of our solar system. Sometimes they appear close together in the night sky. This phenomenon is known as a conjunction. During a conjunction, two or more planets align in such a way that they appear to be near each other from our vantage point on Earth. These events can be spectacular to observe and have fascinated humans for centuries. We call this a planetary alignment. Such alignments are rare and can involve multiple planets lining up in a seemingly straight line. These events are often anticipated by astronomers and sky watchers alike, as they provide a unique opportunity to see several planets in close proximity. Alignments don't mean the planets are actually in a straight line. In reality, the planets are spread out across vast distances in space. The alignment is an optical illusion from our perspective on Earth. This illusion occurs because we are viewing the planets from a specific angle that makes them appear aligned. It's about our view from Earth. Our position in the solar system allows us to see these alignments. The planets' positions relative to each other and to us create these fascinating visual phenomena. Understanding this perspective helps us appreciate the complexity and beauty of our solar system. Imagine looking at a spiral staircase from below. This analogy helps illustrate how planetary alignments work. Just as the steps of a spiral staircase appear to line up when viewed from a certain angle, the planets seem to align when viewed from Earth. The steps look like they line up, even though they're spread out vertically. Similarly, the planets are spread out in their orbits, but from our viewpoint, they can appear to be in a straight line. This perspective is a reminder of the intricate and beautiful dance of the planets in our solar system. In late February 2025, something special will happen. All 8 planets will be visible in the night sky. This is a rare alignment. It's a chance to see our entire planetary system at a glance. Mark your calendars. This is an event you won't want to miss. Your guide to the night sky. The night sky has always fascinated humanity, from ancient civilizations to modern-day stargazers. Whether you're a seasoned astronomer or a curious beginner, there's something magical about looking up and seeing the vast expanse of the universe. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to make the most of your stargazing experience. Here's how to see the planets. First, find a dark location. The best places for stargazing are far away from city lights. Rural areas, national parks and remote locations are ideal. The darker the sky, the more stars and planets you'll be able to see. It's worth the effort to travel to a place where light pollution is minimal. Light pollution from cities makes it hard to see faint objects in the sky. The artificial lights from buildings, street lamps and vehicles create a glow that obscures the stars. In urban areas, you might only see the brightest stars and planets. To truly appreciate the night sky, you need to escape this light pollution. Next, look west after sunset. As the sun sets, the sky gradually darkens, and the first celestial objects to appear are usually the planets. The western horizon is a good place to start your search. During twilight, you can often spot planets like Venus and Jupiter shining brightly before the stars become visible. The planets will be strung out in a line, starting low in the sky. This alignment is due to the way the planets orbit the Sun in roughly the same plane, known as the ecliptic. As you scan the sky from the western horizon upwards, you'll notice the planets forming a line. This makes it easier to identify them. Then, identify the brightest planets first. Venus is often the first planet you'll see because it's the brightest object in the night sky after the Moon. Jupiter is usually the next brightest. These planets are not only bright but also have distinct colors and positions that make them easier to spot. Venus will be the brightest, followed by Jupiter. Venus appears as a brilliant white light, while Jupiter has a more yellowish hue. These two planets are often visible even in areas with some light pollution, making them great targets for beginners. Finally, use a stargazing app. These apps can be incredibly helpful, especially if you're new to stargazing. They use your phone's GPS and sensors to show you a map of the night sky, complete with the positions of stars, planets, and other celestial objects. Simply point your phone at the sky, and the app will guide you. Apps like Stellarium or Skyview can help you locate the planets. These apps are user-friendly and often come with additional features like augmented reality, which overlays information on your phone's camera view. They can also provide details about the planets, such as their names, distances, and visibility times. With a little patience and these tips, you'll be able to spot all 8 planets. Stargazing is a rewarding hobby that connects you with the cosmos. So grab your telescope, find a dark spot, and enjoy the wonders of the night sky. Happy stargazing! Finding the perfect spot. Timing is key. The best time to see the alignment is about 30 minutes after sunset. This is when the sky is dark enough to see the planets but before they set below the horizon. Choose a location with a clear view of the western horizon. A hilltop or open field is ideal. To truly appreciate this celestial event, preparation is essential. Arrive at your chosen spot at least an hour before sunset to set up your equipment and get comfortable. Bring a blanket or a chair to sit on and perhaps some snacks and drinks to enjoy while you wait. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky will gradually darken, revealing the planets in their full glory. Patience is crucial. The alignment won't be visible immediately, but the wait is well worth it. Make sure to check the weather forecast in advance. Clear skies are a must for this kind of observation. Cloud cover can obscure the view, making it impossible to see the planets. If you're using a telescope or binoculars, ensure they are properly calibrated and focused. Even without any equipment, the naked eye can still provide a stunning view of the alignment. Invite friends or family to join you. Sharing this experience can make it even more memorable. Remember, this is a rare event, so take the time to savor every moment. Enjoy the show. Take a moment to appreciate the vastness of space. Think about the billions of stars and planets out there. You're witnessing a rare and beautiful event. Share this experience with friends and family. It's a chance to connect with the cosmos and each other. Thank you for joining me on this cosmic adventure. I hope you have the opportunity to witness this incredible planetary alignment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Cosmic Discoveries for more explorations of the universe.